case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1974, the Supreme Court of Texas heard the case of Henderson v. Ford Motor Company, focusing on the legal principle that a user or consumer who discovers a defect in a product is aware of the danger, yet still unreasonably uses the product and becomes injured may not be eligible for recovery. This principle is not applicable in cases where there is a design defect. Irene S. Henderson sued Ford Motor Company and Snelling Motor Company after crashing her 1968 Lincoln Continental into a metal pole due to a problem with the speed control, claiming a defective design caused the accident. While the trial court initially ruled in her favor, the Court of Civil Appeals later reversed the decision. A piece of rubber found in the carburetor suggested that the gas feed remained open during the accident. The jury concluded that the design of the air filter housing was faulty, but Ford and Snelling argued there was no evidence of a design defect. The central issue was whether the design of the air filter housing was flawed and if it led to the accident. The court ultimately found no evidence of defective design, ruling that Henderson could not recover damages from the defendants. The defendant was deemed not liable for the accident, since there was insufficient evidence for a design defect in the air filter housing. The jury's finding was unsupported, and the plaintiffs failed to prove the alleged defects caused the accident. The court granted the defendants' motion for judgment non obstant veredicto, genov, determining that they were not liable for the accident, and the plaintiffs received no compensation from the defendants.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.